I ain't sorry about it. If I did it, I'ma stand on it. If I get money, I get cut, put a band on it. Treat a nigga like a Bible and put a hand on him, but ain't no use. Was excuse, he had a fan moment. I lost my it ain't shit. I keep a player, told Brooklyn. If I can't love you now, I wanna love you later. You know me, it's big cheers, the notebook, keep some paper. Broke my heart and then I bossed up. I should've thanked her. Lost Kanga, lost Sway. This shit feeling heavy. Niggas looking at me like I'm done. I'm just getting ready. I'm buzzed down and quick to draw down on anything sketchy. I'm caught on the mic. Nigga like, if you accept me, trying to be your friend, shake your hand. You mean I'm about bread, straight bread. Nothing in between. Don't hear from my moms, all my homies. I depend on lean. You gon' be rich long as you breathe. And music stream, join the team. We gon' turn you up. Do your homework. I'ma do this song first. Incriminated self on the gram, gon' get his home search. Just counted 150 to the face, heaven on earth. In control, don't need a soul. I got rich without you. They pay me to come to their club and stand on couches. Quick squeeze and make them leak like a fountain. Valleys and peaks from the streets, I done crossed the mountain.
Yeah, I'm on a different type of time now. I'm big dog, I walk through, you keep your eyes down. I'm feeling pain, but give me money, bitch, I might smell. You ain't trying it in, and don't try me now. I'm on a different type of time now.